Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Well, we got a special one right here. How often do we get Dodge Chargers? They're just not around. And this one is really special. A 1970 Charger RT Special Edition. So an RT SE. It's a 440, factory air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, 85 miles on a Rotisserie Restoration. Numbers match motor and trans, colors. It's restored like it left the factory. Documented with the original fender tag and a build sheet. How's that? Got a lot of things going for it. You can go to volocars.com. You can read all the specs, study all the pictures. And that's where you find the prices on 200 collector cars that we offer for sale. It's at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching these videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Rotisserie Restoration, just like it sounds. It goes on a big rotisserie and it's flipped upside down. The bottom of this car is redone just as good as the top. So when they do a rotisserie, they take it down to just a bare shell. The entire chassis was removed from the car. The bottom of this car is 100% clean metal, and it's painted just like this. It's green metallic with a glossy, smooth finish. Beautiful floors, the rockers, the inner quarters. I can see the dimples on the inner fender wells here. Nice, nice metal under this car. And then the whole chassis was rebuilt. The front end components, they look brand new. Not only did they just replace bushings, but all the metal components and A-arms and all of that is restored and detailed. So literally everything up front. Bushings, ball joints, shocks, springs, all new. The rear suspension was also removed. So you got all new bushings and hardware and shocks. The brake system was completely restored. E-brake cable assembly is all hooked up. It has the correct dual exhaust system, the factory type mufflers, the chrome square tips coming out the back. New fuel system, got a nice shiny gas tank, new straps, new sending unit, new fuel lines. You look up at the motor, it's still spotless. It's all the Mopar orange. We have pictures on our website. You can see the date. It's a 1970 motor. You can see the casting code. And then right above the oil pan on that side, that's where the VIN number is stamped. It matches the car. There's pictures on our website. 727 Torque Flight automatic trans is rebuilt and looks fresh from the outside. Also has the actual VIN number that matches the car stamped on the trans, so it's original. Drive shaft is restored. Has a 323 rear end in the back, all painted and restored beautifully. I don't know if I forgot to mention anything, but front to back, it's brand new under this car. The body is also amazing. Absolutely no rust, straight as an arrow, clean, all metal car. And these are long, wide, flat panels, and it's straight. There's not a door ding, not even a ripple. As the turntable's going around, I'm looking in the reflection, there's nothing. For some reason, there's a crack in the paint right here. And from underneath, I don't know what caused that to crack, but just right here, if you buy the car, we can have that fixed. I already had a body shop give a professional estimate. A shop that does high-end work, it'll match perfect. But this glass finish paint is a mirror. I'm looking at the reflection of the light bulbs, crystal clear. All the metal flake is laid out evenly. It's not blotchy anywhere. It has a new vinyl top. It's a special edition emblem. All the trim is very nice. It's not all brand new, but it's shiny, it's straight. The moldings up here are very good. Door handle's new. The mirror is really bright chrome. The windshield is new. The wheels are restored, new trim rings, new center caps, new BF Goodrich tires. Has the rubber filler between the bumper and the car. Triple plated show quality bumpers. This has the retractable headlights. That was rebuilt. Those work. The grille is all restored. Towards the end of the video, we will start it and I'll demonstrate the lights. Got the correct antenna here. Of course, you got the RT. Glass fits real nice. Door shuts real nice because it fits really well. Car has a nice stance too. Looks good. Jambs are painted just as slick as the car. The interior is all redone. Now most of the SE is in the interior. Genuine leather on the seats, not vinyl, but real leather. Bucket seats, wood grain steering wheel, wood grain dash, and then it has trim on the pedals. That's part of the SE package. Pop-up gas cap is new. So it has legendary seat covers. Again, they're leather in front, vinyl in back. This has the buddy cushion, so it has that fold-down armrest, or you fold it up and a third person can sit there. Complete set of original seat belts. The dash pad is new. The wood grain instrument panel is new. The gauges are all new or restored. There's only 84 miles on it. That's since it was redone. Quartz movement in the clock. New carpet, new headliner. The dome light works. And where'd it go? Here we go. The paint is really nice. Show quality motor compartment. The whole engine bay, I don't see any signs of damage or rust, and it's painted as slick as the car. There's a VIN number, a hidden VIN number stamped right here. It matches the car. The original fender tag is mounted right here. The motor's been completely rebuilt. It's a 440 Magnum, 375 horsepower. All the stock manifolds, valve covers, intake, the Carter carburetor. The dual snorkel air cleaner is restored. It has the crinkle paint and the 440 Magnum pie tin on the top. Brand new power brake, booster, and master cylinder. The gentleman called me up a couple months ago, said he wanted to sell the car. He wanted to have it looked at and serviced, so he took it to a shop. They just went through and checked everything. I think they fixed an oil leak, a couple minor things, replaced the brake booster. So the car is serviced mechanically, turnkey, ready to go. Tail lights real nice. The bumper, again, show quality. The trunk compartment, and one heck of a painter, because even inside here, this is just as slick as the outside. All perfectly clean metal. I don't see any cuts or splices. It has a new reproduction mat, seat divider, weather strip. Does not have a spare, but does have the complete jack assembly. There's an owner's manual, shop manual in here. Rear window's nice and clear. Inside the car, trying to see what I may have left out. The rear tray is real good. But getting back to the motor compartment, air conditioning system's all restored. I can just see a lot of new parts, new compressor. It's got the new Freon in it, Mopar radiator, new cap, and all the little stuff. The washer bottle with the electric pump, the squirters are hooked up, new wiper motor, all the components on the firewall. Regulator's new, the whole wiring harness looks new, the battery is secured properly. Not missing a thing under here. So again, you got a factory air, power steering, power brakes, RTSE, rotisserie restored, numbers matching. Beautiful car. The stance, the look, the quality, just awesome. So visit volocars.com. Oh, I didn't talk about the door panels. I wanted to hit that real quick. The upper pads are excellent. The door panels look like they've probably been replaced. It has the map pocket and wood grain. I think that's all part of the SE package. Sill plates look new. There you have it. That's my impression of this charger. Go to volocars.com. There's plenty of ways to reach out to our salesmen. They'd be happy to answer questions or concerns you might have. And they can help with financing and delivery. It's at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching our videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel, but click on that bell icon so you're notified when the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.